Today I am reviewing the KARDV Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-use cordless vacuum cleaner for your home, the KARDV Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is one of the most impressive options available today. Designed to tackle everything from hardwood floors to carpets, pet hair, and hidden dust, this 8-in-1 vacuum combines strong suction, smart technology, and convenience to make home cleaning faster, easier, and more effective. Let's start with the suction power, which is the heart of any vacuum cleaner. The KARDV cordless vacuum is equipped with a 500W motor, providing an impressive 40 kilopascals of suction in max mode. This means it can instantly pick up dust, debris, crumbs, and even stubborn pet hair from carpets, tiles, hardwood floors, and rugs. Whether it's everyday dirt or more challenging messes, this vacuum cleans efficiently and thoroughly, saving you time and effort. Another standout feature is its long battery life. With high-capacity removable batteries, this vacuum can run for up to 60 minutes in standard mode and 20 to 25 minutes in max mode. A single charge is enough for most daily cleaning tasks, so you don't have to worry about constantly recharging or interruptions in the middle of your cleaning session. The wall-mounted charging station also makes it convenient to charge and store the vacuum, keeping it ready for use at all times. The V-shaped anti-tangle roller brush is a game-changer, especially for pet owners or families with long hair. The brush is designed to prevent hair from wrapping around the roller, and the upgraded green LED light makes it easy to see dirt hidden in dark corners or under furniture. Combined with the rotatable floor brush, you can clean even the trickiest areas with precision, leaving your floors spotless. This vacuum is also smart and easy to control. The LED touch display lets you adjust suction levels, monitor battery life, and receive brush winding reminders in real time. The fully sealed multi-layer filtration system captures 99% of fine particles larger than 0.1 microns and 95% of ultra-fine particles smaller than 0.1 microns, ensuring the air in your home remains clean and free of allergens. This makes it especially friendly for families with children and pets. Versatility is another major strength. The KARDV cordless vacuum comes with 8 multifunctional accessories, allowing you to convert it into a handheld vacuum for cleaning furniture, curtains, beds, sofa crevices, car seats, and pet areas. This makes it a true all-in-one cleaning solution, capable of handling every corner of your home and even your car without needing multiple devices. The 1.5-liter dust cup is large enough to reduce frequent emptying, and it features a one-touch emptying system, so you can quickly dispose of dirt without touching it. Combined with the lightweight design, the vacuum is easy to maneuver around furniture, upstairs, and in tight spaces, making it ideal for everyday cleaning. In short, the KARDV Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful, smart, and versatile cleaning tool for modern homes. With strong suction, long battery life, anti-tangle brushes, smart LED display, and multiple attachments, it makes cleaning faster, easier, and more efficient than ever before. Perfect for homes with hard floors, carpets, and pets, this vacuum ensures every corner is spotless while keeping the air clean. If you're tired of struggling with multiple cleaning tools or weak cordless vacuums, the KARDV Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is the all-in-one solution that combines power, convenience, and versatility into a single, lightweight device that will transform your cleaning routine.